Hello everyone, welcome back to Road to Ownership. Let's further our knowledge in real estate. Today our title is Top 5 Home Renovations to Increase Property Value. Before we continue, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Now y'all know I love a good fixer-upper, but even I can appreciate a smart investment. So today, we're diving headfirst into renovations that not only make your home prettier, but also bring in top dollar when it's time to sell. Think of it as a little love for your home that loves you right back. Now, let's talk kitchens. It's the heart of the home, right? Everyone always seems to gather in the kitchen. And wouldn't you know it, it's also a gold mine when it comes to boosting your property value. Think about it. A fresh modern kitchen just screams, "Buy me," to potential buyers. A 2023 study by the National Association of Realtors found that a minor kitchen remodel recoups nearly 80% of its cost in resale value. That's huge, y'all. But what makes a kitchen remodel so impactful? Well, it's all about combining functionality with style. Think updated appliances that are sleek and energy efficient. Imagine those stainless steel beauties shining under the kitchen lights. Then there are the cabinets. Now, you don't always have to do a full demolition here. Sometimes just a fresh coat of paint and some new hardware can work wonders. But if your cabinets are looking a little worse for wear, replacing them with a timeless shaker style or a modern flat panel can completely transform the space. And don't even get me started on countertops. From classic granite to trendy quartz, there's a countertop out there for every style and budget. And let's not forget about the backsplash. A little bit of personality behind those countertops can go a long way. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Joanna, this all sounds expensive. And while a full-scale kitchen remodel can be a significant investment, even smaller updates can make a big difference. Remember, focus on those high-impact areas like appliances, countertops, and cabinet fronts. Alright y'all, let's talk about bathrooms. After a long day, is there anything better than a nice, relaxing soak in the tub? A bathroom should be a sanctuary, a place to unwind and pamper yourself. And just like kitchens, updated bathrooms can work wonders for your home's value. According to Remodeling Magazine's 2023 Cost versus Value report, a mid-range bathroom remodel can recoup over 60% of its cost in resale value. So, what can you do to transform your bathroom from drab to fab? First things first, let's talk fixtures. Swapping out that old tired toilet and sink for sleek modern ones can make a world of difference. And don't forget about the faucet. A stylish faucet can add a touch of elegance to the entire space. Next up, the shower and tub. If you've got an old cramped shower stall, consider upgrading to a luxurious walk-in shower with beautiful tile work. And if you're lucky enough to have a bathtub, why not give it a little love too? A freestanding soaking tub is like a spa day, every day. Lighting is another crucial element in a bathroom makeover. Nobody wants to feel like they're getting ready in a dungeon, right? So, let there be light. Consider adding some stylish vanity lights, a statement chandelier, or even some recessed lighting to brighten things up. And of course, we can't forget about the little details. Fresh paint, new hardware, and some fluffy towels can go a long way in creating a spa-like atmosphere. Remember, It's all about creating a space that feels both luxurious and inviting. Y'all, let's step outside for a minute. First impressions are everything. Curb appeal is king. A well-maintained yard can boost your home's value. Landscaping is like the frame around a beautiful piece of art. It sets the stage and enhances appeal. A study found landscaping can increase your home's value by up to 12%. Start with your lawn. A lush green lawn is like a welcome mat. Keep it mowed and free of weeds. Add color and texture with plants and flowers. Choose a variety of plants for visual interest. Now let's talk about hardscaping. Get creative with walkways, patios, and retaining walls. Don't forget about outdoor lighting. Lights can create a magical ambiance at night. Make your outdoor space inviting and enjoyable. Let's talk about a home improvement that saves you money in the long run. Energy efficient windows. Those drafty old windows might have charm, but they're letting your hard-earned money fly right out the window, literally. Energy efficient windows keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Less work for your HVAC system means lower energy bills for you. Replacing single pane windows can save you up to $465 per year. It adds up over time. They also reduce noise, protect furniture from UV rays, and increase home value. Homes with energy efficient features sell for an average of 4% more. When shopping, look for windows with a low U factor and solar heat gain coefficient. Alright y'all, let's talk about adding some square footage to your home without actually adding on an addition. A deck is a fantastic way to extend your living space to the great outdoors, creating a perfect spot for entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying your morning coffee. And the best part, adding a deck is a home improvement project that consistently ranks high in terms of return on investment. A 2023 report by Remodeling magazine found that homeowners recoup an average of 75% of the cost of a new wood deck when they sell their home. Now, when it comes to deck design, the possibilities are endless. You can go for a simple single-level deck or create a multi-level masterpiece with built-in seating, a pergola, or even an outdoor kitchen. Think about how you want to use the space. Do you envision hosting large barbecues? Then you might want a spacious deck with plenty of room for seating, a grilling area, or maybe you're dreaming of a cozy spot to curl up with a good book. If so, a smaller deck with a comfortable seating area and some potted plants might be more your style. When choosing materials for your deck, consider both durability and aesthetics. Pressure-treated wood is a popular choice as it's affordable and readily available. Cedar and redwood are also good options as they are naturally resistant to rot and insects. If you're looking for a low-maintenance option, composite decking is a great choice. It's made from a blend of wood fibers and plastic, so it's durable, long-lasting, and doesn't require staining or sealing. And don't forget about the little details. Adding some outdoor lighting, comfortable furniture, and some colorful cushions can transform your deck into a true outdoor oasis. Well, there you have it, folks. Our top 5 home renovations to increase property value. Remember, whether you're tackling a small project or a major overhaul, focusing on these key areas can make a world of difference in attracting buyers and maximizing your return on investment. One last thing. If there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also, take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you. We'll see you in our next video.